Unpaid invoices and bills can disrupt your cash flow and affect the financial health of your business. In this video, we'll show you how to efficiently track, manage, and follow up on unpaid invoices and bills using Xero's features. This helps to track unpaid invoices and bills, ensuring timely payments to suppliers and faster payment receipts. Let's get started. Manage unpaid invoices and bills with aged reports. Navigate to the Accounting tab and select Reports. Xero offers 4 aged report options, each providing a detailed or summarized view of money owed or owing. Aged Payable Detail Report. This shows the breakdown of all unpaid amounts you owe suppliers. Aged Receivables Detail Report. This shows the breakdown of all unpaid amounts your customers or clients owe you. Summary Reports simplify your financial overview by combining all unpaid amounts into a single line for each contact, making it easier to see what each customer or supplier owes. Let's start with the Aged Payables Detail Report. It is similar to the Receivables Report, but focuses on what you owe suppliers. Aging period columns are labeled by period number by default. You can customize the number and duration of your aging periods to see unpaid balances across multiple days, weeks, or months. Optionally, age your invoices by invoice date instead of due dates. You can add and remove columns to display the details you need, such as the primary contact's details, outstanding tax, and the contact account number. Summarize your report by any field for a quick check of the total outstanding balance, or group invoices by contact, invoice date, or by invoices your customers have viewed online. Add a plan date column to see which bills you are due to pay next, and filter by due date to focus on bills that are due soon. Once you're finished, you can export your data in any form like PDF, Google Sheets, and Excel. Now, let's focus on the Aged Receivables Detail Report. This report lets you track unpaid invoices and efficiently follow up on overdue payments. You can view essential information such as customer names, invoice numbers, amounts owed, and aging periods, all of which provide insights into your receivable status. You can customize the report based on your preferences, such as aging periods, date ranges, and columns displayed. This flexibility helps you tailor the information to your needs. Now you can manage your finances more effectively and keep your business running smoothly. And there you have it. With SaasAnt Transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when SaasAnt can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.